Find a comfortable position, lying down or sitting. Allow your body to settle. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathe in slowly and release. Let the breath become slow and natural. With every breath out, allow the weight of the day to melt away. Release the conversations, the decisions, the questions you carried all day. You do not have to solve anything right now. This moment is simply about being open. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Relax your forehead. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Let your jaw soften. Allow your shoulders to gently sink into the bed. Your chest softens. Your stomach relaxes. Your legs grow heavy and still. With every breath out, your body becomes a little more peaceful. Now, bring your awareness to your heart. Imagine a soft, warm light glowing there. A quiet light of wisdom that has always been within you. Sometimes the mind becomes noisy and the path feels unclear. But wisdom does not always shout. Often it whispers. Tonight, you are simply creating space to hear it. Now, gently say to yourself, either silently or softly, Dear Universe, if there is something I need to understand, please show me the way. Feel those words loving your heart and traveling out forward like a signal sent into the vast universe. We'll repeat this again. Dear universe, if there is something I need to understand, please show me the way. Now imagine the universe as an endless sky filled with quiet intelligence. A space that is always listening, always responding. Sometimes through science, sometimes through people, and sometimes through sudden clarity. Trust that you are not alone in this moment of uncertainty. Now, repeat softly in your mind. If this path is right for me, show me a sign. If there is something I need to change, guide me gently. If I am forcing something, help me release it. And if I am meant to walk forward, give me courage. Now, let go of the questions. Allow the universe to hold them for you tonight. You do not need the answer immediately. Sometimes guidance arrives in unexpected ways. A conversation tomorrow, a sudden thought, a dream, or a quiet feeling in the heart. Now say to yourself, I am open to guidance. I trust that the right path will reveal itself. I'll notice the signs and I'll trust the wisdom within me. Take one more slow breath in and breathe out gently. Feel a sense of calm, a sense of surrender. Tonight, allow sleep to carry your question into the deeper intelligence of life. Rest in the knowing that clarity is already on its way, and when the time is right, the path will become visible. Universe, guide me. I am listening.